How to know a Telegram user's phone number. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can know a Telegram user's phone number. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. So first steps first, make sure that you have the updated version of your Telegram. And after you've done that, you can just open up your app and log in into your account if you haven't. Then you can see a lot of different options. Chats. You can head over to any chat that you like to know, the user. So if you tap on this user, let me open this up. So right here, you can actually see their phone number by tapping on the profile. So just tap on their profile, you'll see their mobile number right here. So from this mobile number, you can copy it, do what you want. And there's also, a feature that allows you to hide this number. So if that person has enabled that, they won't be able to, find this number. You won't be able to see their number. It's basically their privacy setting and it's their choice if they want to show it or not. But in this, this user has decided to make their profile or number, shareable or, seeable. So we can just see it from their profile. And yeah, that's how you know that's how you know a Telegram user's phone number. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.